Hey everyone, I'm puffing a bit. I've been going up and down the stairs. This is an upstairs bathroom. The worst part of that is getting all your gear back down to the van. But you get that. Whew. Running up and down stairs. Puffing a bit. That's when you need a labourer. But I'm not going to have a labourer to do that, and then the rest of the time he's standing there watching me what to do, watching me how I do it. No. See how I'm doing the corner, yes, but I'm doing my bottom because when I do around that niche, it'll run down the water and that stuffs my silicone. So you've got to think about it. It's not rocket science. You do all the low parts first. Okay, back again. The owner just came in and is asking me a couple of questions. About screwing up his cabinet. So you can do two things. You can, because a wall mounted cabinet is going up here, you can cut the square out like that if you've got access to a diamond blade, 4-inch diamond blade, or you drill through with a proper porcelain bit and zap it into your studs. He knows where the studs are. He's put a tape up and taken photos of it. Right, home and hose. Bloody beauty, boys. Ooh. Beautiful. That's all there is to it. Out with the trusty hand tool. You got to be careful here because the silicone's just starting to go off, and I wasn't talking to the owner very long. So as you're learning, don't silicone up too much, or you'll be in trouble because you won't get it all wiped off in time. I've got to touch that up a little. I'll pop some in there. It's not quite super dry. See, it doesn't matter how shitty you put your silicone on, doesn't matter. With a pedal pop stick, comes out beautiful. My tip is just, I reckon, a little bit too small. You don't cut it too big. Don't cut it too big, but I reckon I had mine just a little bit too small. To get off your sides like that, you hold your pedal pop stick in a different position. I'm up against the wall like that. That's all there is to it, people. That's how easy it is. Right, now you can go out there and silicon to your heart's content. That's good. Nice and tidy. I do like to try and get my corners nice. Okay, that's good. These are a weapon, I tell you, when it comes to silicone. Okay, we'll see you soon.